Chapter 4. Nasa street looks na naman si Ella. Tinawagan siya ni Yaya Dindin na parang contestant sa Pilipinas Got Panic. Umiiyak daw si Aliyah, hinahanap siya at hindi raw nagpapalapit sa kahit sinong nurse. Mama Ella lang daw ang gusto. Litanya ni Yaya na parang may deadline ang luha. Imagine mo, may time bomb na luha tapos si Ella lang ang makakapag-diffuse. Parang siya ang Bruce Willis ng Saint. Looks, pero naka-ponytail at may milk tea stain pa sa blouse. Nadurog ang puso niya syempre, biglang nagka-fast pass ang konsensya niya at dali-daling sumugod sa ospital. Plano niya, pampalubag loob lang, isang yakap tapos uwian. Pero gaya ng dati, nilamon siya ng oras at milk tea. Pagdating niya, pasimpleng naghanap siya kay Elias, yung jawline na pang-casting sa La Pasión de Venganza. Pero hindi siya ang bumungad, si Madam Solana, kung may Instagram filter sa totoong buhay, eto na yon, skin, HD glow, hair, parang blow-dried ng Holy Spirit, lipstick, kulay, bank owner. At yung halakhak, Diyos ko, soundtrack ng kontrabida sa finale week, pero imbes na tarayan siya, lumapit ito like fairy godmother na may nakaimbak na chismis. You must be Ella, sabi nito in English with accent na pang green belt. Yaya Dindin told me you're beautiful, but she failed to mention na magkamukha pala kayo ni Aliyah. Goodness, parang photocopy. Awkward laugh. Lutang mode. Pakiramdam niya na scan siya ng human lie detector na nakamaskara. Then later on, picnic mode sa ospital. Squid balls, fries, tofu, milk tea. At si Aliyah, parang bottomless pit habang nagdo-drawing ng lightsaber.
Do you know, Mama? Anakin doesn't have a father. Seryosong sabi. He was born from the Force.
Oo nga, miracle baby, ganern.
Same pala kami ni Anakin. Sabi ni Papa, I'm a surrogate baby.
Chomp sa tofu, napatingin siya kay Madam. Pero busy sa iPad, classy pa rin kahit kunot noo. Meanwhile, si Ella, nakatitig sa kawalan. Surrogate! Plot twist alert! Short pause. The kind that makes your stomach flip, like the first drop of a roller coaster. In Ella's head, kung gusto ni Elias ng anak, di mag-text siya. Ang gwapo niya, wala ng small talk, tanggalan agad ng damit. Latin Heat Edition. But the conscience kicked in. Hoy, ni kay Martin, hindi ka bumigay, tapos kay Elias hindi mo jowa, pero ready ka nang maging baby factory? Ayun na nga ang utak ni Ella, parang teleserye writer's room. Chaos with feelings. At kung may meeting minutes, siguradong nakasulat, agenda, malandi, pero may konsensya. Kaya pasimpleng tanong niya kay Aliyah, kunwari chill lang. So your papa, is he single? As in, wala akong GF, wala akong BF, pero may instant baby girl? Boom, tawanan. Naku, Ella, sabi ni Yaya Dindin na parang nanalo sa bingo. Hindi LGBTQ si Sir Elias. Busy lang talaga, parang call center, shifting schedule, walang time manligaw. But he has time to be a papa. Dagdag ni Madam habang hinahaplos ang buhok ni Aliyah. Kay Aliyah pa lang ubos na oras niya. Smile outside, toothache inside, supporting role vibes. Baka sa ending credits lang siya. Mystery Woman number 1. Masakit girl, pero carry mo yan. Pero habang hawak niya ang kamay ng bata, buo ang puso niya. May invisible thread sila. Eye contact na parang telepathy. Parang may sariling wifi signal. Gabi na pala. Kung hindi pa tumawag si Angkong, hindi niya mapapansin na tapos na visiting hours. Nagpaalam na siya. Pero Aliyah's tears. Silent, heavy, cinematic, hindi tantrum. Iyong tipong lungkot na pang-award season. At doon siya nadurog ulit. There are cries that shake walls, and then there are quiet tears. The kind that slice right into your chest. Aliyah's tears belong to the latter. Ella, would you like to stay tonight instead? Alok ni Madam, soft but sharp. Kami na lang ni Yaya ang tutuloy sa condo, unless it's a bother to you. Automatic polite refusal mode activated. Pero Madam already dialing Angkong like CEO ng ospital. We'd love Ella to stay and keep Aliyah company. I insist. Then, beso, mabango, matunog. May possibility, parang future manugang vibes. Thank you, Hija. Bulong ni Madam, sabay kindat. OMG, bakit parang na-excite ako? Tumango agad, nighttime. Ella sings Somewhere Over the Rainbow, kahit mali-mali lyrics. Aliyah yakap-yakap siya, parang milk tea breastfed baby. Tahimik ang kwarto, OST lang ng aircon at hilik.
Love your smell, Mama Ella.
Mumble ni Alia, antok pa. Ella, gulat! Huy, wag kang ganyan. Baka isipin ng universe ready na akong magkaanak ng 5. Narrator. At kung effective pa rin ang pabango niyang 299 pesos, buy one take one, deserves talaga ng 5-star Shopee review. For a moment, she almost believed this was her real life. Not borrowed, not make-believe. Just hers. Pinagmasdan niya si Aliyah, cute, nakahilik na parang baby Yoda na nasobrahan sa tofu. Hindi kita kilala noon pero parang kilala na kita buong buhay ko. And there it is. Hindi cameo, hindi extra. Baka main role na pala siya sa story na to. Pero bukas na ang drama. Tonight, sapat na ang tawagin siyang Mama.
Alas 5 ng umaga, dumating si Elias sa Saint. Looks na parang hinabol ng multo. Black turtleneck, trench coat. Mukha siyang rich vampire na kulang sa tulog. Totoo naman, 4 na oras lang ang nakuha niya kagabi. Una niyang pakay, kausapin si Mama Solana. Pero bago pa ang family drama, dumaan muna siya sa conference room kung saan naghihintay si Hawk, Commander-in-Chief ng Las Aguilas at resident therapist/godfather. Let's keep this clinical, Annie Elias. Pero bago pa matapos, may outline na si Hawk. Bullet points, underlined. Trace, egg bank file. Verify, traits versus Ella. Match, confirm donor. Move, discreet but urgent.
Kung galing kay Ella, malalaman natin
Sabi ni Hawk, pen spinning like a scalpel.
anonymous ang file pero may traits, med records, photos. Biotech will dig.
Elias exhaled. And if it's her?
Then hindi pera ang dahilan. Her blood's premium. Kung gusto niya ng pera, milyonarya na siya by now. So bakit nasa Binondo pa rin siya?
Unless
Unless kinuha without her consent.
tahimik, mabigat. Possible ba yon? Elias asked.
Not common pero hindi imposible. Egg harvesting takes planning, hormone shots, monitoring. If done without consent, someone orchestrated it.
Elias clenched his jaw. Pero kung pera ang habol, bakit hindi siya naglaho? Why stay?
Maybe kasi hindi niya alam.
Elias pressed his temples. Kung totoo to, paano niya haharapin si Ella? Should I go to Binondo or stay here? Hawk arched a brow.
What matters more right now? Answers or your daughter?
Elias had no words. Tumalikod siya at dumiretso sa pidyawing. Pagbukas niya ng pinto, tumigil ang mundo. Nakahiga si Aliyah, mahimbing ang tulog, pero hindi nag-iisa. Mahigpit ang yakap kay Ella na naka-side sleeping. Messy Boone, oversized hoodie, jeans. Walang makeup, walang filter. Pero sa mata ni Elias, parang painting ng peace. Beautiful, raw, dangerous. That kind of beauty na kayang magbago ng landas ng isang lalaki. Something stirred. Attraction. Inconvenient. Uninvited. He shoved it down. Not now, not her, pero naisip niya, what if Aliyah fell too hard? What if siya rin? At dun niya alam, DNA test wouldn't be enough. He needed the truth and courage. Because if his suspicion was right, hindi lang siya ama. May utang siya kay Ella. A woman who gave everything without knowing it. And now, as his daughter clung to her like she was the whole world, the morning felt like paradise, wrapped in a ticking bomb.
Solana Mondego woke up gorgeous, as usual. Kahit tulog pa, aura activated. Beside her, si Uno, snoring softly like a retired action star. My God, may apo na sila. Pero kung makalambing pa rin siya kagabi, parang college boyfriend. She slipped out of bed, threw on a wrap, and let Yaya Din fuss with breakfast. Greek yogurt, egg whites, avocado. Pero syempre may emergency oat bars sa tote. Just in case Makati traffic gaslights me again, she muttered. Kahit may ways, minsan feeling mo niloloko ka talaga ng Ayala Avenue. By 7, she was already at St. Luke's. Through the narrow glass panel, she peeked in. Aaliyah was curled up, around Ella, one tiny hand tangled in Ella's hair, as if letting go meant losing her. Ella, half asleep, patting Aaliyah's back in that universal Lola tap-tap circle. Then a kiss to the temple. Solana's throat tightened. Lord, my Apo has no idea she's being cuddled by her real mother. Kung teleserye ito, cue dramatic zoom in at background music. Elias stood beside her, frozen. She hissed, "Shh, we're kidnapping her to America."
Ma,
Final decision, Juan Elias. Hindi ito teleserye na 15 taon mula ngayon may dramatic reveal. She's literally in there being peak Mother Goose, and you're treating this like Mission Impossible. Elias muttered,
Ma, we don't even have confirmation yet.
blood doesn't lie. DNA doesn't lie. Anak, ang problema sa'yo, genius ka nga. Pero by the book, life is handwritten on a crumpled napkin. Imagine a Nobel Prize nominee being schooled by his mom using office stationery metaphors. Iconic silence, then a soft squeeze of his hand. Aaliyah doesn't need a perfect plan, Hiho. She needs her father, present, brave, and choosing what's right even when it's messy. Start by not taking her mother away from her. Inside, Aaliyah stirred, blinked, and lit up.
Papa,
She launched herself at Elias, peppering his face with kisses like a puppy reunited with its chew toy. Ella stood, shy smile, and greeted, "Good morning, Po." Solana pulled her in, kissed the top of her head. "Mana ka talaga kay Aaliyah. You give good hugs." Aaliyah tugged Elias's shirt.
Papa, let's sit with Mama, please?
Solana beamed. Perfect timing. Elias nodded at Ella.
Good morning.
Ella blushed, then dead mode. Kunwari wala lang.
They all sat. Aaliyah raised her arms, drama queen style.
Lola pretty. Thank you, Po. I am so happy. Super.
Solana hugged her tightly, whispering through smug tears. "See, anak? I told you. Ipagkakait mo ba ito sa anak mo?" Aaliyah, mouth full of pancake, looked up.
So, this is what it's like to have Papa and Mama? My heart is having a party inside my chest.
Kids, the best poets. Eat your heart out, Hallmark. Elias froze mid-bite. Ella blinked fast, holding back tears. Solana dabbed her eyes like a beauty queen at graduation. Meanwhile, Ella kept cutting star-shaped pancakes.
Ayan na, Aaliyah. Star shape ulit. Parang artista ka, pati pagkain mo may leading role.
Aaliyah giggled.
If you're a star, Alia, then you're a megastar. Just like your Lola Pretty. She looks like a young Sharon Cunita.
Elias nearly choked on his coffee.
Did she just call you Sharon Cuneta?
Solana burst out laughing. That's exactly what Yaya Din told me. Hindi ikaw ang una, Ella. Nauna si Yaya. Ella raised a brow.
Wait, so Sharon Cuneta po pala ang peg? Hindi ako prepared? More on Maricel Soriano selling ham ang energy ko today?
Elias almost snorted his coffee. Solana, meanwhile, was already casting Ella for the lead role in the future Mrs. Mondego.